Hey, Jaden here from JB Hi-Fi, and if you're still doing the vacuuming, then we need to talk. There's a new robot vacuum in town, the Dreame X50 Ultra, and it's not just joining the cleaning game, it's taking it to the next level. From navigating tricky spots to lifting mess off every kind of floor, this little unit is ready to do the dirty work better than most humans. No offense. Let's start with what makes it so good at getting around. The X50 Ultra's got what Dreame calls the Pro Leap system, which means it can cruise right over door frames, uneven floors, or rugs without getting stuck. It can climb over bumps up to 6 centimeters high, and its retractable legs adjust on the fly to avoid bashing into furniture or getting caught. There's even a built-in shock absorber to keep the ride smooth and keep the noise down, so it can clean quietly in the background while you're watching TV, working from home, or napping on the couch. Now, onto the brains. This vacuum doesn't wander around aimlessly. It uses a 360-degree sensor system to scan your space and build a super accurate map. That means no random zigzagging, no missed spots, and no bumping into everything. Using Dreame's Versala function, your X50 will lower its sensor into the machine and reduce its height to just 89 millimeters. And if you're worried it's going to eat your socks or roll straight through something your pet left behind, don't be. It uses an AI-powered camera and 3D mapping tech to recognize over 200 objects, from toys to cables to pet mess, and it steers clear of all of them. It even slows down and moves carefully around bigger things like shoes or charging stands. Built-in LED lights switch on automatically in dark areas too, helping it see where it's going even in low light or at night. When it comes to cleaning power, the X50 Ultra brings the heat. The side reach system helps it dig into corners and get under furniture, while the mop extended robo swing feature slides out to clean right up against walls and into those awkward nooks. The brush is designed to stay tangle-free, so it's perfect for picking up pet hair or long strands without getting clogged. And with up to 20,000 PA of suction, it can pull dirt out of thick carpets, tiles, floorboards, and anything in between. You can get 5 different cleaning modes, so whether you're doing a quick tidy up or a full spring clean, it's ready for the job. You can schedule it, check on its progress, or control it remotely through the app. It's all super easy. And that's just the start. The Dreame X50 Ultra is absolutely packed with smart features that make cleaning feel effortless. If you're keen to level up your cleaning routine, swing by your local JB or jump online at jbhifi.co.nz to check it out.